we're going to be installing the upholstered walls with the timber panels on the side. I'm going to film how we're going to do it. So those are the custom-made upholstered walls. Billy, what do you need for that, for all of that?
What do you need to put the walls up?
Glue.
And a level.
And a level. Okay, got it. That level. Okay.
Give me a hand to put it up on the top of it.
Sure. So Billy, you're gluing the first upholstered wall. Although this has some sticky tape on it.
It's a Velcro.
It's Velcro, yeah? It's quite sticky. You still need to put the glue on it, and quite a bit, yeah? It's because it's very heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, we carried it together, it was super heavy. And what you doing now?
Mark in the middle. Because this is where I got a middle here, see? So I'm gonna put it in the wall.
Okay, so you started from the middle and you're going outwards, yeah?
Yeah. Can you grab that end?
Okay, I'll help you.
Put him on the floor. Come with me.
The first piece is up. Okay, so we're preparing the second bit. You decided that you're going to do the end one first, yeah?
Middle one.
What did you just say before because of the switches? What did you say?
I said that's the end one. I'm gonna have to cut the switch out in it. That's why I leave it for the last.
Okay. Boy, it's looking good.
Thank you. Panels don't look too bad either, eh?
Yeah, panel's not too bad either. So it's pretty easy actually. You just remove this top parts. The Velcro is exposed. Oh, it's very sticky. And then you add quite a lot of glue and you put it onto the wall. Bill says it's important to use a level on the first panel. Once you know it's straight, and all others will be straight as well. I'm already loving it. This looks amazing. You can't really see it through the camera, but this velvety material. Oh, can I show it so you can see it? Oh, it's so beautiful. I like it a lot already. And we only have 2 up. I can't wait for the end result. Okay, so up to now it was super easy. But the last bit, that's where we have to cut space for the PowerPoint. So Billy, you're measuring now, yeah?
Try to make them the same distance.
So you're saying to make sure that they are
Same distance.
same distance. Okay, so we had a bit of a practice on this side. Now we're going to do the last bit on that side. Billy, do you reckon on our next job, if we use upholstered walls, can we ask the manufacturer actually cut the hole for us?
How do you know where it's going to be?
Can you not know where it's going to be?
Not exactly.
Otherwise, it would have been easier, yeah?
Of course it would be easier.
So you're measuring now with to cut the hole with the PowerPoint.
right, yeah, that's right. That's a closer hand in mine.
You're removing the foam. So you need to find where that hole is, yeah. Bit scary to cut it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna staple it straight away. Wow, okay. Precision.
Not so precision.
Not so precision. It's difficult to do it.
Yeah, because it's awkward to get to it.
Yeah.
That's better.
Wow. Wow. You only need to staple it a bit. It doesn't
Yeah,
have
so it
to.
holds it in place.
Just holding it in a place, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So we decided to do on the other side as well.
Mm-hmm.
Don't have to, but can, yeah. One didn't hit the right spot. Well, you got it.
You got it.
You got it. Okay. Now what? Just putting glue on, removing these top covers, putting in there, and it's done. Ah, we're removing this this one here, so it's easier to put it through the hole. Okay. Okay, so basically putting a lot of glue on it. I said to Bill, interesting. They had written my name on few of those panels. Bill says, What did you say first?
Well, somebody might be swearing at you in a few years' time when they
No, that was
renovate.
the second option. The first option you said what? You said something like you'll be known or
Yeah,
something
you'll be
like that.
famous.
I said, or they'll be swearing at me because they can't remove it now. We're using a lot of glue. It'll definitely stick. Okay, so time to put it in. Okay, so I need to be close. Okay.
Okay, get a ladder and remove that out of the way.
Oh yeah, we've got this for the hanging lamps. Okay. That's it. Okay. And now put the wires through.
Can you just pop off?
I'll hop off.
I think this one's a bit more tight.
Yeah. Cool. I'm putting the plate back in. Our timber flooring guy is making the noise upstairs. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Then the electrician is going to fix that, yeah, when he comes.
Yeah, with a different screw into the air timber.
Nice. Okay. So our upholstered wall is up. Now all we have to do is to put the timber panels on the side.
Do we have them?
Yes.
We do?
Yes, we do. Pick them up already. Okay, so from here our microphone stopped working. I'll try to do a voiceover and try to remember what we were talking about. Here I am telling that we have two different color options. This one is darker brown and this one is lighter brown. We both decided that lighter brown goes better with the color of that upholstered panel, and we're going to put them vertically, the timber panels. Here Bill is measuring the wall so he can cut the timber panels to the right size. He will be using the circular saw for it. He marked it. Using a blower to get rid of all the dust on the panel and on himself. Okay, before we do anything else, we need to cut the hole on the panel for that power point. So Bill is unscrewing the plate, so it'll be easier to put that wire through the hole afterwards. So he's going to measure the size of that hole and mark it on the back side of the panel first. Yeah, he would want to see where that would be on the front side, so it goes with the with the grooves of the panel slats. And now he's marking on the front side. And once he cut the hole, and he puts a lot of glue on. I mean, the more the better. Presses against the wall and against the upholstered panel, so it's all nice and tight. And now he just needs to cut the remaining of the timber panel. So last bit is in. Nice. Really, this looks amazing. What do you say?
I like it.
Love it. I love it. Nice.
Once the lights come down.
Yeah, once we put the lights on, the chandelier in the middle, it'll look amazing.